You're back with Bloomberg Edge, and you're looking at a live shot out of Tokyo this morning. And in just the past 24 hours in Japan, Yoshimasa Hayashi has been named the new economy minister. And the reshuffle comes less than 4 months before national elections. Staying in Japan, and one strategist points to a 20% upside for the Nikkei 225 this year. Let's find out more on this prediction from Bloomberg's stocks reporter Patrick Rial, who joins us from the Tokyo newsroom. And Patrick, what exactly are strategists thinking will really drive up the stock market?
Right. Well, this is coming from Hajime Kitano, who's the chief strategist at J.P. Morgan. He's one of the top-ranked guys here in Japan. And basically, he's looking at the Japan government assessment of the economy, which we got upgraded a couple of weeks ago. And he's saying, if you look historically, the market generally doesn't trust these assessments. But if you look at the history, if you look at the graphs, you really should, because every time that the government has come out and upgraded their assessment, that's been, near the bottom or at the start of a rise in the stock market, with one notable exception. So basically, with the upgrade that we had a couple weeks ago, he's saying, this is a good time to be in the market.
And what is a notable exception? When did that happen? I'm guessing, is it post-Lehman's?
No, this was way back in 2002. Japan went through the same sort of tech bubble that the U.S. and the rest of the world went through, and the the government came out with an upgrade a bit too early on that one, as we kept falling all the way through 2002 and into 2003. So they're not always right on the money, I'm afraid.
Yeah. But a good track record, none the same.
Exactly.
Oh, well, let's talk about something else that's moving markets. Government stimulus measures. In fact, a Nikkei report of it is actually boosting electronics stocks today in Tokyo.
Right, and this sort of ties in with the upgrade of the economy that we had from the government. Basically, Nikkei came out with a report that K's Holdings, which is one of the large electronics retailers, is really seeing sales jump. They're up about 10% for the latest quarter. Profit up about 40%, because the government has introduced what they call eco points, which are basically incentives, discounts that consumers can use to buy energy-saving, low-carbon electronics goods, televisions, air conditioners, refrigerators, and what have you, and is really driving people to the stores. So we're also seeing Yamada Denki, which is the country's largest retailer. It's also up a couple percent today. And so, there is some feeling that these stimulus measures are working, and that they are, coming in a lot more quickly than they are in maybe the U.S. or some other economies.
Yeah, we definitely saw that in the household spending figures, which surprised on the upside,
Exactly.
up a third of 1% instead of the expected decline that we were looking for last month. Thank you for that, Patrick Rial, our stocks reporter in Tokyo.